Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Every picture of... Oh shit, what happened? Wait, what the fuck? Wait. Bro, I swear to God, like, my laptop just glitched. What the fuck? I just bought this laptop. Wait. Just in case. Hi. I'm trying to learn this song by Cat's Eye. Like the new song, like the Internet Girl. Like, I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you read me? Like the emoji? I want you, I want you, I want you. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Every picture of me is oh my God, it's her. What's the word on the internet, girl? Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Yeah, it isn't my fault, that is always my turn. What's the word on the internet, girl? I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you read me? Like the emoji? I want you, I want you. I love this song. Everybody's like hating on this song, but this song is actually so good. I love like weird and random songs like this. Like, that's why I really like Gnarly, because like Gnarly doesn't make sense, but I love it. Just like the Internet Girl. So Stan Cat's Eye. Hello. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? So, The Internet Girl is a song about the pressures of being a woman on the internet, with being judged, hated, and compared and sexualized. It's a very big goal for us. I really wanted to have a song about the internet in a way where it feels like a universal experience that women go through. We're always getting compared to each other, being a girl where people see us as a woman to rank, which is so bizarre to me. We even get graded sometimes on the internet. To me, that feels dystopian. It's an interesting concept to build a song around. It resonates with us deeply. It can also be universal, since people are constantly being compared and women are constantly being pitted against each other. That's true. I really like Cat's Eye. Hello. Bima, are you mixed race? Mixed race? I guess you could say so. Like, my mom's Chinese and my dad's Indonesian, so I guess I'm mixed. Tahu lagu Ophelia nggak? Of course. That's like TikTok song. This hair is my Roman Empire. Well. Gimana kabarnya? Kabarnya baik. Terima kasih. Hopefully everyone also kabar baik. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Every picture of me is oh my God, it's her. What's the word? I'm the internet girl. Bima, kapan daftar PhD? Udah daftar, guys. Udah daftar. Belum libur ya? Udah libur. Can you speak Indonesian? Ini lagi ngomong Indonesia. Kamu nonton RC enggak? Enggak sebenarnya sejujurnya. What should I do? I posted a video about like Yoonchae. Like, you guys know Yoonchae, right? Like from Cat's Eye. Kayak Yoonchae itu kan, kan mereka just had their concert, right? Cat's Eye kayak habis selesai konsernya, kayak barusan doang, kayak maybe like a couple weeks ago. Terus kayak Yoonchae itu waktu lagi konsernya itu dia tuh kan nyanyi kan, of course nyanyi. Terus dia tuh kayak bikin note change gitu, kayak nadanya itu beda dari kayak lagu aslinya. And I really like that note change, and I tried to do that note change by myself, and I hope you guys liked it. It was like crazy, like because I cannot sing. Like I'm not a good singer, but I really like that part, so I tried my best. So make it viral. Bentar. I'll show it to you guys. Kayak note change-nya Yunche. Maybe it's like in the Mexico one. This one. Sometimes getting too loud. Going to my girl, still up in the 1003. Careful that we don't lose this key. Not this one. Wait, this is like the first like note change, and then there was like a second note change that she did. Wait a minute. Like there was like not this one. This was like the original one, which is already so good. Tapi kayak ada lagi, kayak dia ada lagi. Wait, I wanna show you guys. Maybe this one. Wait. Did you hear that? Bro, that was so good. Kayak bagus banget. Wait, again. Bro, I love Yunche. I love Cat's Eye. Stand Cat's Eye, please. Berarti mama papa orang Indo. Like my dad iya orang Indo. My mom dia Chinese Indo. Gimana nonton SBS kayak Tejon nggak? Tidak. I suka gnarly. Me too. Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. How's your day? It was great actually. Like I woke up at 9. I bangun jam 9. Terus I ke salon buat gunting rambut. And I think I really like this haircut. Terus habis itu I tidur. Kayak bangun gunting rambut, habis itu tidur lagi karena I tidurnya jam 5 pagi kayak hari sebelumnya. And then Terus I tidur lagi, terus I bangun, terus itu I ketemu my friend. Jadi today I ketemu my friend dari high school. Kayak my friend from high school kayak visited Korea, right? She's here for like just vacation, I think. Terus kita ketemu, terus kita ke cafe, terus kita ngegosip and ngobrol and catch up on things. Terus I also ketemu my friend yang dari Korea University. She's also like from the same high school, but she goes to a different campus. She goes to Korea University, but I go to Yonsei. Terus yaudah kita main, terus kita ke cafe, terus kita foto booth, habis itu kita norebang. Udah, itu kayak kalau I cannot speak. Kalau kalian ke Indonesia, Jesus Christ, I cannot speak. Kalau kalian ke Korea, like biasanya kayak hangout itu, biasanya itu adalah you guys go to a cafe, terus habis itu biasanya eat first, makan ke restoran dulu, habis itu ke cafe, habis dari cafe ke photo booth, habis dari photo booth ke norebang. Biasanya kalau I biasanya kayak gitu. Jadi kayak cafe, makan cafe, photo booth, norebang, and sing. Terus habis itu udah. Kalau enggak biasanya ke pop-up store atau ngelihat ke kayak stores around Korea, kayak in Seongsu or Hongdae, there's a lot of pop-up store. Terus ngeliat baju or perfumes or kayak merchandise gitu-gitu. Ya, gitu deh. Makannya makan apa? Kalau di Korea itu, I think the famous ones like pork belly, like samgyeopsal, like Korean barbecue. Tapi kalau kalian nggak makan babi, kayak they also have like the halal version, I think. Kayak usually lamb. If you guys like lamb itu apa ya? Kambing ya. If you guys like kambing, like you ada kayak Korean barbecue khusus untuk kambing. Bukan Korean barbecue namanya. It's actually Chinese barbecue. Kayak di Korea itu kayak ada yang namanya kayak apa sih namanya? Ya pokoknya barbecue kambing gitulah. Pokoknya ada. But Chinese style. I never tried, but because I don't like kambing. Kalau nggak suka kambing, I think ada yang halal kayak buat ayam and sapi doang or something like that. Kalau nggak makan dak kalbi, which is like apa sih kayak stir fried chicken gitu, kayak pedes and enak. And then kalau nggak makan maybe like soup, like samyetang, kayak sup ayam atau sup iga sapi gitu juga enak. Ya gitu. Bima nggak pulang ke Indonesia tahun ini, pulang kayaknya nanti March, maybe March begitu. Kamu nonton RRC nggak? Ayah nggak nonton. Maafkan. Pelajaran yang you dapat di 2025. Pelajaran yang I dapat di 2025 adalah apa ya? Just apa ya? I guess be kind. I feel like being kind is something that I need to learn more. Sometimes I feel like I'm not kind enough. Sometimes I just expect things like my standard is way too high. So like I expect like things to be a certain way. And also just don't like have expectation for other people. Just don't put your expectation or high hopes on other people. Just focus on yourself and you'll be fine. Don't compare yourself to other people. Gitu-gitu. Kenapa sentuh mulut terus? Emang gak boleh. Karena mulut I kering. Ya gitu. Terus apa lagi ya? Ya karena like kalau I think apa ya? Apalagi ya? Udah. Coba ngomong bahasa Jawa. I udah lupa. You tahu collab Yeonjun and Daniela nggak? Of course. Like I know that song. I like that song too. Biasa si Cortez siapa? I suka James. I like James. I like James. Kapan yang potong rambut? Hah? Kapan yang potong rambut, Bim? Maksudnya kapan yang potong rambut? Kapan potong rambut? Kapan potong rambut tuh tadi pagi. Congrats on your A+ grades. Thank you. Thank you. Shouldn't see looking up in the sun with me in my house. Sometimes it's too loud. Got to look in the 2003. Losers kiss. No way. Rate Yonsei 1 to 10. Rate apa ya? Bima nggak tidur nggak? Belum. Di mana? Di kamar. belajar kimia lagi. Iya sebenarnya I harus prepare something buat PhD tapi ya gitu deh. Makanan apa yang bikin otak lancar? Hah? Maksudnya? I don't know. What are the good and bad things about living in Korea? Kalau kalian gak punya siapa-siapa di sini, sometimes it feels really lonely. Karena apa namanya kayak I feel like very individualis gak sih? I mean gak juga sih. I mean kalau misalnya kalian punya community di sini misalnya kayak community gereja atau community like you join like a certain apa kayak club or ex school gitu kayak bisa I mean or you have like close friends kayak ya bisa aja tapi misalnya you kayak baru di sini terus kayak baru datang terus kayak you don't have any friends and stuff like that it can feel kind of lonely yeah that's what I felt like for the first couple of years especially like making friends like yeah and stuff like that but once you have someone that you can like you know that you can hang out with and like just be around with or maybe I don't know you find a partner like a girlfriend or boyfriend something like that or you find your own community kayaknya asik aja sih and then the good things about living in Korea is that very very convenient di sini tidak ada yang tidak convenient kayak and very aman and very walkable I like walkable cities I just realized that kayak apa walkable cities artinya kayak you bisa jalan kemana-mana nggak usah pakai maksudnya nggak usah pakai you don't have to own kayak kendaraan buat pergi kemana-mana jadi you bisa kayak walk ke subway station, you can just walk to the bus station and you can just, you know, and just take public transportation. You can literally go anywhere in Korea, which is very good. Or you can just walk to your destination if it's not that long. Karena like apa kayak the apa sih namanya? What do you call this? Like the sidewalks. The sidewalks is like really good to just walk around, and I don't know, the infrastructure is just built so that you can walk around everywhere gitu. Jadi that's the thing that I like about Korea is the convenience. Yes. Gitu. Begitu. Di neuroscience belajar apa? Di neuroscience I belajar kind of the basics, like the most basics of the basics, like for example, action potential. A generation of action potential and then like synthesis of neurotransmitters how like certain like you know the firing of neurons the activation of neurons the depolarization of the membrane potential and stuff like that like the most basic until like the most advanced kayak misalnya memory how the memory or emotions formed in our brain like the pathways and stuff like that so it was a lot actually. Neuroscience was it was crazy. We learn about like almost like 26 chapters or 25 or 20 something chapters in one semester. That's a lot because usually satu semester itu kayak mostly kayak 10-12 chapters tapi kayak ini kayak di cram gitu. Jadi kayak nggak detail banget tapi kayak chaptersnya banyak. So like 20 something chapters. Terus di cram dalam satu semester. So it's like more like introductory neuroscience. I don't like this kind of course yang dimana mereka kayak just do everything basic tapi kayak banyak chaptersnya and you cram everything together dalam satu semester karena kayak apa namanya I don't like learning shallow stuff like I want to know the details like I cannot learn just like the surface level things karena kalau misalnya I cuman belajar kayak surface level kayak I don't really understand like I need to understand like I'm just curious gitu loh kayak apa kayak the details like the big details like the you know like the actual details of stuff so that's why apa kayak ya gitu deh I don't really enjoy the course that much tapi I did learn a lot so there's that gitu. ya aku belajar harus sampai ke akar-akarnya. Karena I just like knowing random facts. And sometimes kalau misalnya you kayak belajarnya kayak superficial, kayak cuman kayak surface level doang, kayak you don't really understand like the actual knowledge, you know? Like you don't really get the actual knowledge, like the main point of the knowledge. You don't get that. You cannot fully understand, and I just don't like doing things halfway. I rather do it like perfectly, and just like go all the way through rather than just like surface level things. That's why I don't like being mediocre. It's either like I'm really bad at things or I'm really good at things. You know. Dulu waktu sekolah ekskulnya apa aja? I was president of student council. Terus I did Model United Nation. Terus udah for high school. Terus waktu di apa namanya? Waktu di kuliah I did student council also. I also joined kayak business club for some reason. And then ya gitu. Gimana ceritanya when you gimana how you feel when you first went to Korea? Kayak pertama kali ke Korea itu kayak ya gitu-gitu aja sih. Gimana kalau pas mau pelajarin lebih dalam malah keluar jalur karena nyari arti kata, ha? Artinya apa itu? Ayo nggak paham itu pertanyaannya. Malah keluar jalur karena nyari arti kata. Apa? Hah? Perkata. Oh, pelajarin lebih dalam malah keluar jalur karena nyari arti perkata. Maksudnya nyari arti perkata. Why would you ngeluar jalur karena nyari arti perkata? I don't know. I sih nggak keluar jalur banget ya. I don't know. Perkata diterjemahin. Oh, I don't need to terjemah for some reason. Was business club fun? It was I don't know. It was not my thing, I think. I don't know. It was nice. The people were nice. Tapi I don't think it was my thing. I think my thing is just science. I prefer science, to be honest. What things you think that you're bad at? Apa yang I pikir I'm bad at? Math. I don't like math. Begitu. You did MUN, tell us about it. I did Model UN in maybe kayak waktu I kelas 11, Model United Nation. I don't know what Model United Nation is in Indonesia. Jadi tolong someone terjemahin artinya Model United Nation. Tapi I did Model United Nation for like maybe 2 years. It was basically like, I don't know, it feels superficial. Karena kayak Model UN, you essentially like you just like gather in one room and then you like present on your view of the problem and then you try to like solve the problems and then propose some resolution. But like we were like high schoolers. Like, do you really think our resolutions would be like practical and like implementable? Like, no. Like our solutions were just trash and we didn't really know how to write it in proper like format for like actual like legal documents, like the ones that they do in United Nations and stuff. So it felt a bit superficial and it felt like it was just like whether like if you have connections in the room, like for example kayak misalnya you punya friends yang satu kompetisi yang ikut satu kompetisi dengan you, and then kalau misalnya rombongan you banyak banget di dalam ruangan itu, kayak you can just easily win, karena kayak I think itu tuh kayak the voting buat pass resolution itu karena depends on like how many people yang vote buat pass the resolution or something like that. I didn't really like it. Like it was just I don't know. It felt very superficial. I don't know. Ya gitu deh. Bima tahu Umuti? Of course tahu. I like Umuti. I like X-Love. Did you watch Heated Rivalry? I didn't. So I didn't know what Heated Rivalry was, so I searched it out online, and I did not watch it. Do you like K-pop? Of course. Oh my god, the comments are so much. What's your closest goal at the maksudnya? Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja, soalnya aku nggak ngerti, maafkan ya, karena my Indonesian is not that lancar juga, karena sometimes it's hard to express things. See, kayak sekarang kayak I pingin ngomong sesuatu tapi kayak it's hard to do it fully in Indonesian. I don't know why. Maafkan. Tipe pasangan kamu di K-pop idol siapa? Maksudnya? Pasangan aku di K-pop idol? Hah? Maksudnya gimana? Maksudnya kalau misalnya I apa kayak date K-pop idol siapa gitu? Nggak ngerti, I nggak paham. Bima Sandi menang. Oh, Sandi menang. Sandi, let's go Sandi. Let's go Sandi. I'm rooting for Sandi's team. If you can choose to date an idol, who would you choose? I think I would not date an idol. Karena kalau kalian pikir kayak dating an idol would be so depressing, karena kayak maksudnya kayak harus date-nya itu secretly, karena kalau ketahuan bakal kayak dihujat sama netizen, terus kayak mereka pasti sibuk banget, jadi kayak nggak bisa ketemu often, jadi kayak stres sendiri. You date idol, ngapain you mau date idol? Mending date sama kayak normal human being aja daripada dating sama idol. So skip. I don't want to date any idol unless the idol like sends me money. I'm sorry, I'm kidding. Yupa rambut, yes, of course. Coba ngomong Korea. I'm not that good in Korean. Like, unless do it okay. Kelahiran berapa? Kelahiran 2003. Bimas, kenapa suka nge-live? Karena saya gabut. Sebenarnya gak gabut-gabut juga sih. I nggak pingin melakukan hal yang harus aku lakukan. Maksudnya I ada tugas tapi I mager ngerjain tugas, jadi oleh karena itu I nge-live gitu. Ya ngomongnya cepet banget karena ya udah. Di Korea jam berapa? Almost jam 1. Kamu suka kalkulus nggak? Enggak. I hate kalkulus. Kamu konten yang Foley itu habis ngeliat Riku ya? Yes, I ngeliat Riku, terus I pengen ikutan Riku karena I ngefan Riku. Do you like drakor? No, I don't like drakor. Gitu. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Like the emoji. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Like the emoji. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? The other got a star. It's the word on the internet, girl. On the internet, girl. It's the word on the internet, girl. Too much 90. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. Zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you know me? Like the emoji? Zucchini. And your feelings. Keep on breathing. I might do it just like you. Zucchini. To me, it's my first heart. It's the word on the internet, girl. Who you hate? Jealousy so overrated, haven't you? Heard on the internet, girl. It's my turn. What's the word on the internet, girl? Nobody got what I got. All day I never stop. Too much I feel. I'm getting out of here. Cause you need me so. Keep on breathing. Cause you never know. Cause you need me so. Cause you never know. I might do this all for you. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you feel me? Like the emoji? Tahun baru ngapain aja? Ngapain ya? What did I do? Tahun baru I tidur. Tadinya I mau itu kan, kayak mau watch YouTube countdown kayak tahun baru, tapi I ketiduran, jadi yaudah. Habis itu I makan hotpot. Habis itu pulang. Udah selesai. Udah ngeliat NCT Wish TT belum? Of course. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Every picture of me is, oh my God, it's hard. What's the word on the internet, girl? Click it, ooh, you hate it, jealousy so overrated. Haven't you heard on the internet, girl? Yeah, it isn't my fault that it's always my turn. What's the word on the internet, girl? Eat zucchini. In your feelings, cause you got me so. Keep on breathing, cause you never know what I might do It just might be you. I don't know. Izukini. 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 Do you feel me? Like the emoji? And then what else? I want you, I want you, I want you. Kamu mirip Sonu. Thank you. Okemnya mana? Okemnya sedang istirahat. Sedang istirahat karena sudah selesai kuliah. S2 kapan? Tidak S2, saya S3 guys. It's all too much, I fear. I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. You know, please say hi to my girlfriend Anissa. Hi Anissa. Besok ngapain? Besok I ketemu teman lagi. I mau ketemu banyak teman sebelum I pergi ke Indonesia lagi. Zucchini enak nggak? Zucchini enak dong. Gitu. Kapan balik? Kapan? It's all too much, I fear. I'm getting out of here. Up saluran juga please. Okay. Bro, it's so hot. My butt is so hot. Kayak heaternya panas banget sih. But I'm gonna turn off the heater karena heaternya panas. Adakah boy group yang disuka? I like NCT Wish. I also like X-Love is not technically a boy group sih. X-Love itu bukan boy group I think. It's like genderless concept. I really like that concept, genderless concept. Support X-Love. Apa lagi ya boy group? I like ENHYPEN. I also like apa ya? Which boy group do I listen to? I don't know. Siapa bias di NCT Wish? I like itu siapa namanya Yushi and Riku. Ian Cortez juga. Mana pacarmu? Tidak ada. How about N-Team? Do you like too? I just like Harwa from N-Team. It's all too much, I fear. You minus ya? Sebenarnya I nggak tahu, I nggak pernah cek. Maybe iya. Maybe I minus. Maybe. Karena kayak sometimes kalau nggak itu I harus kayak gini. Sometimes I harus kayak gini buat ngeliat. Have you heard Internet Girl Studio version? Yeah, I heard it. I didn't really like the baby voice. I think it was weird. Tapi ya udahlah ya, mau gimana lagi? I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you feel me? Like the emoji? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Betcam. What is Betcam? Hah? Itu apaan? Oh, kickflip nggak tahu. Real Stray Kids of course tahu. Apa lagi ya? Dias Exo siapa? I like Haru. Main game nggak atau Only One nggak tahu banget. Bintran, I'm not cute anymore. Mager. Baba. Pernah main game ML nggak? Iya, I pernah main ML. I'm sorry. I like the song. Couldn't catch it on the casket. No, it's new attraction. Got kind of slashing like ooh. You feel too. How do you do this? Wait, let me try. Hands up, Gabriella. I don't know how to do that. How do you do Gabriella? Gabriella dance. How to do that? Dance tutorial. Hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella. La, la. I got my phone. Hands up, Gabriella. Bro, what the fuck? How do you do that?
Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be learning Gabriella. And with today's video, we will be learning Gabriella.
Cara gimana? Gabriel. Mula.
And then after this, we're gonna go.
Nggak tahu, nggak bisa. Nggak bisa. Gimana sih gini terus gini. Ayo bisa gini dong. Gini. Enggak tahu. Gini. Hands off, Gabriella, la la. Na. Hands off, Gabriella, la la. Belajar helikopter. Gimana caranya helikopter? Kayak, how do you like do the... Gak bisa. Setting kamu kebuka. Oh iya, oh my god, Tuhan Yesus. Maafkan. Gini. Bisa gini. Gimana sih? Ya gitu lah. That's close enough. Apa lagi ya? Let's see. I'm hungry. Oh. Like, oh, you can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you. Hands off, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella. La 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 la. Apa bias is Stray Kids? Maybe siapa tuh namanya? Felix. Hari ini udah belajar. Belum. Nonton Interview with the Vampire nggak? Itu apa? Nggak tahu. Play music to sin vanish. No. Tahu treasure nggak? Tahu. Ini refreshing dulu ya. Ya. Tahu treasure nggak? Tahu. Nonton RC nggak? Nggak pernah ngabarin saluran. Iya. Sorry. Tanyain aja tahu semuanya atau enggak. You like namping siapa? Nggak tahu. Hair new, yes, new hair. Kangen Indo nggak juga sih. Kok lemes? Karena udah nyanyi dan nari-nari. Makan pim biar mukbang, tapi ayah udah gendut. Kenapa nggak kabarin saluran? Karena I don't know. Bye mau tidur, bye. Show us video, comment violin. I don't have a violin now and I don't have the video. You know Enhypen? Of course I know. Gak usah ditanya, I udah tahu semuanya. Nonton Arch nggak? Kagak. Nyanyi jawab bisa nggak? Tidak. Arch nggak? Kagak. Gabut Bim, gabut. Tuas nggak tahu nggak? Tahu semuanya. Good night, bye. Aidit tahu nggak? Nggak tahu sebenarnya. Fast response ya. Yang mau tidur, bye. Udah bye semua, bye. Kenapa nggak ikut Arce? Ditanya aja mulu setiap kali live. Tanya mulu. Kenapa nggak nonton Arce? Kenapa nggak ikut Arce? Karena ia tidak sempat saja. Begitu. You know Baby Monster? Iya kayaknya iya tahu, I don't know. Pernah ketemu idol nggak? Pernah. Semuanya pernah. Karena aku nggak. Kamu siapa? Saya tidak tahu. Good night, bye. Yang bias yang sih nggak punya. Main ke Pekalongan nggak? Maybe no. Saranin film nggak tahu. 3 things you hate. People asking I tahu grup ini atau enggak. Bercanda. I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Pernah ketemu Taylor Swift nggak? Kagak. EXO ada berapa member? Nggak tahu. 3 things you love. Okem. Udah Okem aja. Nggak tahu. You nggak main bareng Andre and Rafa? Udah main guys. Udah. Kapan dimasakin lagi? Kapan? Oh, still into you. No, not still into you. Only exception. Only exception. Do you guys know Paramore? I love Paramore. Paramore. Different reality, but I can't find what's in front of me here. In the morning when you wake up. Wait. Wait, I cannot belt properly karena di kamar, jadi nggak bisa nggak bisa teriak-teriak karena ada neighbor, jadi nggak boleh teriak-teriak. Jadi oleh karena itu tidak bisa belt, tapi like I can belt. But I can't go with what's in front of me here. In the moment when we wake up, there's not a dream. Oh, that was shit. Like I can belt more, tapi kayak nggak bisa sekarang. Bima coba bahasa Sunda. I only tahu teh. Ini teh. Itu teh. I only know tahu teh. Ya, gitu. Beresin kasurnya. Nggak mau. Still into you. I like still into you. Still into you. Shouldn't be over but I'm butterflies. But I'm still into you. Into you.
Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies,
But I'm into you. I'm into you. First night, I'm into you.
Cause after all this time,
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you.
and baby, even on the worst night, I'm into you. Little wonder how we
Love is hard. I couldn't wonder at all.
after all.
This time. Bima, ini kunaon teh naon. Yeah, that type of Sunda. I only know that Sunda, bro. Kayak yeah, like ini teh naon, like something like that gitu. Ini teh naon. Do you like Radiohead? Yeah, I do. Nonton Call Me by Your Name gak? I think kayak pernah nonton dulu, kayak zaman dulu. Tapi I don't like that movie. Kayak so creepy. Kayak kenapa 17-year-old, bro? That's kind of creepy. Well, yeah. Let's try to play Radiohead. I like this Radiohead. Creepy. Sebenarnya I cuma tahu Creep from Radiohead. That's the only thing I know. Maybe I'm not a real fan. Yeah. Out of Chewy Dubai Cookie udah coba belum? Kayak kamu kalau ngomong bahasa Inggrisnya Inggris banget. Ya, yeah, maybe. Stranger Things lah, tidak. Ngantuk tidur. Coba The Beatles. The Beatles, to be honest, I don't really know the Beatles that much. I mean, I know the band The Beatles, tapi I nggak pernah dengerin lagu The Beatles. Lagu The Beatles apa sih? I don't even know. What's like the most famous one? Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. I don't know that one. Bima, Axel, or Sandy? Ini kenapa tiba-tiba I disuruh milih antara Axel or Sandy? Hah? Kamu suka music genre apa? I suka music genre, I don't know, I like a range of, I like different range of music. Kayak music genre. Kayak I like K-pop, I like pop songs, I like lo-fi. And then I also like apa lagi ya, kayak indie pop. I also like I don't know, like chill and like sad songs like Adele. I don't know. Gitu deh. I like jazz. I really like jazz. I nggak tahu lagu Indonesia though. I don't really listen to Indonesian music. So you like Samber? I only know one song from Samber. Oh, I like that, apa, satu lagu Indonesia yang dari kayak horror movie. Siapa sih namanya? Yang di malam yang sunyi ini, na 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 na. I like that song. Da 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 da. Do you know that song? Di malam sunyi ini ku datang menghampiri. Oh, there, I remember the lyrics itu. I like that song. Namanya apa sih? Ini ya. What is that? I don't know. No, di malam sunyi ini ku datang menghampiri. Bener gak sih? Is that the lyrics? I don't know. Iya, dari Pengabdi Setan, bro. I like that song. Tapi I sebenarnya agak takut kalau I dengerin sendiri. Tapi I also like that song. Abar, coba ya. Coba I nonton. Kok nonton, dengerin. Tapi takut, tapi tapi kan nggak bakal mungkin ya kayak hantu Indonesia muncul di Korea. Jadi tapi lagunya bagus gak sih? Kayak apa namanya? Kayak the actual lagu. Kalau misalnya liriknya nggak kayak gini, tapi bagus gak sih lagunya? I think it's bagus tuh. Di malam ini ku datang menghampiri. Hah? Bro, masa tiba-tiba bilangnya we have detected inactivity. Inactivity dari mana? Ku datang menghampiri dengan berjanji hidup dan semati. Ring di dadamu. So I think I know what happened in the song. Jadi I think the girl was betrayed by the guy. Terus dianya mati. Terus dia jadi setan. Terus dia menghampiri the guy. Terus dia ingin were laid down on the chest, and then just forget about all of the betrayal. Gitu. Di kesunyian malam ini ku datang menghampiri dirimu yang pernah berjanji sehidup dan semati. It's so good, bro. It's so good. You're scared. I'm sorry, I'm kidding. I'm not scared because I'm in Korea. Maafkan. Apa ya? I am a rich man, na 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 na. I am a rich man, na 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 na. Di kesunyian malam ini ku datang menghampiri. I like Frank Ocean. I like this song by Frank Ocean. Chanel something. Was it Chanel? Yeah, this one.
Hi guys, pretty like a girl.
Really got fine stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Hit it like I'm underworld. Have tattoos in Shibuya.
Police think I'm of the underworld. Well, I've treated.
I like this remix though. And this one. Rayuan perempuan gila itu apa sih? Kayaknya tidak meyakinkan. Feels like a girl and it's not twice stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See both sides like Chanel. Cool water. Yaudah deh, gue coba rayuan. Apa sih? Tidak meyakinkan. Ini apa, Tuhan Yesus? Abar. Okay, never mind. It's actually quite good. I like the intro. Let's see. Sewindu itu artinya apa ya? What is sewindu? Sewindu? What is sewindu? Delapan tahun. Okay.
Bukan apa, hanya bersiap, tak ada yang tahu. Aku takut, tak pernah ada yang lama menungguku. Sejak dulu yang terjadi sebelumnya, semua orang
it. I approve of this. I like this rabbit, Chikawa. Usagi, not Chikawa. Usagi. Bikin ngantuk. Apa? Risih kalau ada fans cowok, hah? Risih itu artinya apa sih? Risih itu apa ya artinya? Terganggu. Enggak kok. Kenapa? Why would I be terganggu kalau ada fans cowok? Nggak terganggu. Ngapain I terganggu? Why would I be terganggu? Terlalu banyak request lagu now. Goyang Dumang, I don't like that song. Maafkan. Lengser Wangi, I pernah dengar lagu itu. That's too scary. Golden, tadi I nyanyiin Golden di Norebang. terlalu tinggi. I udah capek dengan lagu Golden. I nggak mau dengerin lagu Golden. And I'm hungry. Tapi I harus diet. Tidak boleh makan. Apalagi ya? What should I do now? Live sampai jam berapa? I don't know. Lagu Eyelid. Crazy Stupid Love. I like that song. Crazy Stupid Love. Passion. Joyride. To the joyride. Something like that. Man child. Da 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 da. Kenapa diet? Karena mau diet. Gimana tanggapnya soal kasus New Jeans? I'm very sad. Bring back New Jeans. You know what? In honor of New Jeans, we have to listen to Ditto. Stay in the middle, like you a little. Oh my god, this is so sad. What the fuck? Bro, this is so depressing. 그대로 I'm just so want you so say it down. 따따따라따따 나를 상상했지. 그대로 난 Now, what should I do? Should I just sleep? 따따따라따따 나를 상상했지. 따라따따따 나는 그대로 난 기다렸지. ngantuk, low-key ngantuk. I got no time to lose. 길었던 하루. 보고 싶어라따따땅 우리 심장 따따따땅. Okay, should I just sleep now? I'ma go sleep. Haven't you heard I'm late at night, girl? Okay, I'm gonna go sleep. Bye. Bye. Thank you for joining.